how you can make your first $500 with TikTok ads and affiliate marketing using ClickBank together with TikTok. So as you can see over here on my screen, this video is going to be very short, 5 minutes, but straight to the point, okay? No bluff, no BS here. So you can understand exactly how you can get started as a newbie, as someone who never tried affiliate marketing, or maybe you have had some success, but not really great success to get results. Let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, let me show you. In the last 7 days, I had 314,000 views on my TikTok, right? Now this is free traffic, organic, plus paid traffic, okay? Now let's go in the last 28 days, 1.1 million video views. Now imagine, paid traffic, eyeballs, okay? We target people by their interest level, okay? What do they like? What are they watching? What do they want to buy, okay? So here we are looking for buyers, okay? Buyers intent. Now, if I go to ClickBank, okay, over here, I go to ClickBank Marketplace. Let's say that I want to promote dental offer, okay? Let's say teeth whitening, okay, or something like that. I'm getting paid $150. Now, keep in mind, with many of those affiliate offers, you can make a deal if you have someone who can help along the way to get extra commissions for upsells. What do I mean by that? For example, with this offer, let's say they have a review or upsell, monthly $50 or $300, $500 more, right? After time, you get pixeled, you get affiliate commissions. It means from one customer, one sale, one person who bought $150, you're gonna get $150 today, and then tomorrow or next week when the person buy the upsell, you're gonna get $200 or $400 more from the same customer, okay? So that's the same like owning a digital coffee shop. People are coming in, buying coffee every single day or every single week. Same customers, over and over again. Okay? Now, how this is done. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me on my IG, my Instagram later, on my WhatsApp or my Facebook. Okay? Over here, you can reach out to me. If you have any questions regards to affiliate marketing, making money online, or getting the results with paid traffic online, either YouTube ads or Google ads or Facebook ads, okay? All right, so let's go straight into it. As you can see over here with TikTok, let me go to viewers. I had 181,000 views in the last 7 days. Now imagine, if you're in the weight loss space, diabetes, back pain, financial space, solar panel, healthy coffee for weight loss, right? You can see those are targeted people, those are the buyers. Those are the people who are in the problem state and they are looking for the solutions to their pains and problems. So we as an affiliate, we have to create message to the market match. Again, I'm going to repeat myself. Message to the market match. We meet our audience where they're at the time when they see the ads, okay? Again, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to show your name. It's all private, privacy, okay? You're just using landing page or website, mini blogs. Last month, I had 500,000 total viewers, okay? And 234 net new viewers. Now, if I go over here, I'm going to show you how this works, okay? We need to have attention with intent to get a sale on ClickBank or with any CPA offer out there. Intention means this. Let me show you in the practice here. Okay, you can see this is like an ugly or weird, nice image on the landing page. This is what most gurus on ClickBank are teaching you to do, which is sort of BS. It doesn't work. Why? Let me show you why. Okay? Because if you are not the buyer and you see this, you're not going to buy. You will only click on the link, right? Because you're curious enough to see, oh my God, what is on the next page? I want to see what's on the next page, right? But you will not use your debit or credit card to swipe it in the right moment and buy a $100 product from Manifestation. You won't, because you are not target market. You're not looking for it actively, right? Now, what I would do here differently is, I would first of all understand, is my audience low emotional state or high emotional state, right? If it's low emotional state, I'll use different language patterns, different copywriting, different ad copy, and different interests for targeting. But if my audience is high level, let's say high emotional state, I will use different, let's say product aware or solution aware language and ad copy and ad images and videos, right? So it really matters. Males and females tend to have different language patterns. It's really important if you want to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Now, over here you can see, right? We need attention and intention to have a buyer. That's important. So our ad copy needs to be different. Remember, as an affiliate, we are not selling. We are pre-selling. And there are 5 points. You gotta pre-sell. You have to pre-sell in order to make a lot of money, to make sales easily and naturally, okay? Because it can come really easily once you see the bigger picture and once you have someone who can help you along the way, hand-holding you step by step, all right? It usually takes just 30 minutes per day to 40 minutes to do the ad campaigns, all right? So here's how fast you can make $500 profit per day on ClickBank. If you have a low-ticket product and a $100 product, for $90 commission per sale, you're getting $90. That means 5.5 sales per day. Let's say 6 sales per day to make $500. Now, you don't have to do that. Why? Because here, you can see you can make up to $250 to $300 per sale. In that case, my friend, you are making $15,000 or more per month net profit. Okay, only 2 sales to 1 sale a day, you are at $10,000 per month. If you remember, I spoke about upsells. Okay, front-end product and back-end product. Now, if you could do it alone, if you could already make money online, wouldn't you have done it by now, right? If you could make money online, you would have made it already. But you don't know. And again, it's not your fault. Because you tried maybe all other things, you tried to make landing pages on ClickFunnels, maybe you tried to buy other Singularity or whatever courses or commissions or whatever courses on ClickBank, and it didn't work out. And the reason why is because you didn't have someone who helped you, right, along the way, one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you to show exactly, okay, this is high emotional state, this is low emotional state. This audience tend to do better with problem-aware language, with copywriting. This one does better with this copy, right? And it doesn't take a lot of time. If you're working 9 to 5, if you're feeling stuck, and you tried all other stuff before, and it didn't work out, let it go. That's fast. Right now, as you watch this video, you have a chance in 2024 to finally stop procrastinating and get something done. So if you're an action taker, if you're not someone who's gonna procrastinate, make excuses why you cannot invest for yourself, why you cannot make it work, then this is not for you. Stop watching my video and unsubscribe, okay? Better for you. But if you're someone, and I think you are a smart person because you're still watching this video, who is action taker, who wants to get something done for maybe your family, maybe yourself, have more vacation, more time for yourself, then this is something you can do, okay? And I will teach you and show you exactly how this is done, step by step, 70% done for you, okay? So if you have only 30 minutes per day, let me know. After subscribing to my YouTube channel, you can connect with me one-on-one on my Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, okay? Or my email and WhatsApp number. But only if you're really serious, okay? Over here you can see, you can reach out to me on my Instagram. All this is possible if you take affiliate marketing really, really serious, right? And I'm talking making $350 to $600 per day should be easy for you once you have someone, right, who is helping you along the way, step by step, and hand-holding you to have really, really great results. Again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.